So what we have in front of us is this Fi exhaust system. So the Mini is lacking in the sound department. This is going to give it a new set of lungs and it's going to sound amazing. So right here, this is a cat back. Watch a little bit later on because we're going to be doing a full turbo back system. But in the meantime, we're going to get this one on the car and watch Sam a little bit later on in the video to explain a little bit about the brand. I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like.
So back for another product spotlight video, this time Fi exhaust. So frequency intelligent exhausts were established in 2012 over in Taiwan. Don't be fooled, as you can tell, they have a high level of quality, a high level of attention to detail. So they possess their own specific mandrel bending production system, as well as TIG welded manufacture, which leads to this wonderful, nice finish. They're able to polish it up afterwards, and obviously, as you can tell, very few imperfections. They also offer high performance ceramic coatings, which we've got here on our sports catted downpipe for the Mini. 2 parts, but again, that allows for reduced ambient temperatures under the bonnet. Also helps with performance, keeps all the hot gases inside where they need to be. With regards to other customization options, you've got the tips here. So we've gone for carbon tips, which is only right for Carbonwurks. This is all for our Mini. This is also, as you can see, hiding in here, a Valvetronic system. So this is their standard Valvetronic system, which in here, there's a little module to wire in and a couple of fobs. So that allows that to be wired into the car to keep it quiet, to not disturb the neighbors in the morning, and open it up when we're out on track. So there's a wiring kit and all the jazz for it there. I think that just about covers it. We're going to get this one installed on our Mini. So this is a full Mini kit for our JCW, but they do work with other high performance supercars and so on and so forth. But this will just give you guys a taste of what's available. By all means, drop us an email or a contact form if you're interested in something similar for your car. Plenty of options out there, and we'll happily guide you through and supply and fit if necessary. But otherwise, stay tuned and listen out for this attached to our Mini.